horsepower ma'am. Inverter, 0.6. 4-seater lang siya ng 1.5. Pero non-inverter.
Aircon only, honey, Mike, because if we have own our own house, we buy again.
I'm thinking this one.
Ah,
It's like the middle between those two. I don't want to do enough. But that's just too big for what we need. This is like what we need.
amo niya gusto to, pwede ka sa taas.
Yes ma'am. Cash lang ma'am.
Oo, cash lang.
Pwede na siya ma'am.
Gabaton ka mo di credit card. Wala.
Straight lang ma'am. Straight payment. One-time payment.
Yeah, that's okay. I can do one kind of thing. It's not a big deal. What price is this?
1 each. 1 each payment. Sir.
What's that?
12,000.
Look good?
12,750. Tapos maano ta
That's
dahil.
good.
Manual.
Pamangkuta siya kuno. Pamangkuta siya kuno dahil kung ipa-deliver o kita la ibutang isa kay ta lang sa jeep.
If you want to deliver it or you want to
Pala ka sa unit naman.
Sa jeep lang o. Sige to, sa jeep
We can just
lang.
stay with us. We carry with us. It's not a big deal. That's the big one. Huh? That's not very heavy.
okay. It's not very heavy. Lagi butang yun na yung may dapat may
It's not very
styrofoam.
heavy.
May
It's not
styrofoam.
heavy. It's not heavy.
Mas kwarta, baka dami si sa karon siya mabayad.
Oh!
O lolo.
Wala, matumba na to. Kung home credit siya, iya nga ano nga.
This is a good size one. But, that was just too big for that one room.
Yes.
This is too small, I'm afraid. That won't do very much. It'd be like a fancy fan. But this in here will pull through it all.
The volume, Sir Mike.
Yeah, I like switchy ones. I don't like ones that press.
Mm,
So they don't press good. But then you have to turn.
yes, and it's okay. It's already okay.
Yes. That one.
Honey Mike, Kay said if our house already finished like that aircon.
When we get the house, we'll put them in.
And have our YouTube channel, you can buy like that.
Okay, TV.
Okay. But we don't need dala na panlaw. Dala na panlaw. Gali, ang dapat ang tubig, wala ano. Power waffle wash, more savings. Oh. Pero ano lang galing, ang imo tubig, wala gid ka untat, wala ka ubas-ubas, diretso iya tubod. Kaya kung maano ko na maguba. Maguba kung mauntat ang ano. 24,000 pero now subong nag 17,800 na lang.
Ilan ka? Pila to ako nila?
Ano lang to aton?
8
8 may wind dryer.
8,000 to.
Si Ma'am lang yung kabay doon? Pwede lang.
Buang mo Garanang taga ni may Kung may balay ta aton bilin ko ng kalaktiya kung kasi pagkaraan
Blender? Di ba, bakal ko na blender. Di ba, baka siya blender.
Dugay na na siya ka plano mo baka blender.
Yeah, nakashake. Oo. Hindi mo lang buksan-buksan, oh.
Pwede mo niya matumbok-tumbok. Hindi, oh.
Te ba
High-tech ni. High-tech niya, oh.
39,300 gamay ra na yun. Makasweldo ka niya sa ano niya. Makasweldo ka sa... makasweldo ka sa YouTube eh. Gamay ra tayo eh. Gani, ano ba natin kayong yugon sa ano? Manatan, hindi mo sa hi, hello, good morning, good
Ang bala
morning.
Sir Colin, buligan niyo ako na ng kalakat sa ibang bansa na.
Oo na, te. Wag mo namin kasi iyan mo ginawa sa yatag ka na ng tagay ko muli ang nagtibalaw.
Hindi, amo ni gusto.
Ala, amo niya akong gusto, oh. Kaya namin ibulutangan.
Okay, atong rep natin sa balay, gamay kayo. Dasok ro din ang
Galing,
ito
ipanasulit ko
kapagustuhan
siya.
mo. Oh, mami, ang panasunik ko, bakod na lang mo.
Gani, bakod gani. Ang bala nila na rin siya.
Ano nila yan? Makasweldo sila yun sa YouTube. Namo yung gusto niya, oh. Basta cute-cute ka naman sa YouTube. Kaya makakasal.
Sila na ha, abo, 39, 40,000. Ang dalagan, 40,000.
Hindi na gani siya. Ikaw, gani kay balay na yung ginaproblema sa buong isa mo bakal sinimo. Kita na naman ikaw.
Buligan, tanin na natin na, oh.
Ano mo, wala man. Sweldo sa YouTube kaya wala may viewers. Ikaw mong pag-asa eh. Kaya makatilaw. Ikaw sweldo 90,000.
Sir Mike na, oh, wala mo ito sa pakito. Sir Mike, bakal to siya blender.
Mawala talaga.
Makukular ka naman. TV ko, honey mic, boto, refrigerator.
Dryer na siya, oh.
After her salary, it will job.
Big
After 1
friggin'
year,
food processor.
1,900 years. Very nice. Blender of mic by aircon and blender. Sa mga kung magkaunta-unta ko no, avocado, mango, na how.
Only thing I can find is protein powder. I have to order it and have it delivered. I can't find protein powder.
Ha?
Protein powder.
Protein powder.
Maybe we can buy online.
I find it online. I can't find the stores. I keep looking for it. It's such a, but you got to buy it online. But I'm afraid it won't get delivered because I'm mail. Never gets delivered.
Ang sa Shopee.
What kind of online shopping?
I just put in protein powder. I don't
Ang
know
sa
about,
Shopee na. Try mo na.
maybe I took a picture of it.
Ang protein powder, di ba, na ginahalo na sa mga shake.
Stove na, oh.
Wala ko yung kabalo sa mga palagan.